What is going on, everyone? Crypto Underground is back with another nice video and crazy price prediction for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and of course also some other tier 1 altcoins and new meme coins and utility coins that I'm buying up right now, because we are about to go ballistic and parabolic here to the upside for Bitcoin and the altcoins, in my opinion, of course. So welcome everyone, make sure to be subscribed on my channel. We have now over 1,000 subscribers, guys, so thank you very much for your great support, and of course we're gonna do a special 1,000 subscribers video today, since we have now Bitcoin going parabolic. And of course I want to share you also some new coins that I'm buying up right now. The complete list is here in the video description. Of course also the best exchanges to use here in the crypto space, at least the biggest ones and the best ones in my opinion, like Binance, Bybit, Femex, Maxi Global and so on. Prime XBT also if you want to trade commodities with your cryptos. And of course also join me over on X, link is in the video description. We're gonna have a nice Bitcoin price analysis here for the next coming weeks and months, and also for Ethereum, guys. So make sure to be subscribed on this channel, be part of this crypto journey in which we are together. And of course remember, I am not a financial advisor, I'm here just to entertain you. I am just sharing my own opinions, my own price analysis on the markets here in the crypto space for Bitcoin, and of course for all the content that we are covering in this video. So I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a dude here on YouTube showing my own ideas and everything that is going on in my brain here, based on my TA on Bitcoin, and of course also on many other altcoins, meme coins, new coins that I'm buying up, of course, that are also hyped in different other crypto websites. So not only my channel, but of course also in different crypto websites. I'm just covering all those new coins that are coming out and that I'm also buying, because there are many coins out there. The list is almost infinite, but I like to buy into the hyped ones, and you can find them all nice and packed here in the video description right at the top, guys. Of course we're gonna cover also token 6900, this new hype, the meme coin that is ongoing right now, a purely new meme printer as well. We're gonna have a look into that, guys. I bought into this coin, you can also do that if you want, the links in the video description. But first we're gonna have a look into Bitcoin and Ethereum, guys. Of course I'm bullish also for Mudang, Pepe, Doge, Solana, XRP and so on. I think that we're gonna have a massive altcoin season in the next coming weeks and months. But of course the two kings, at least Bitcoin is the king, but Ethereum is the king of the altcoins, since Ethereum is still the second biggest cryptocurrency out there in market cap. Doesn't matter how bullish you are for Solana or XRP, Ethereum is still the biggest one, and so far no other coin has surpassed Ethereum. Of course the price right now is ridiculous here, $2,900. Ethereum should be trading already at much higher levels that we're gonna cover in this video. But of course as soon as Ethereum is waking up, I think that we're gonna see a monster altcoin season, because once Ethereum is pushing to the upside and is outperforming Bitcoin, then we're gonna see also the Bitcoin dominance falling down, and we're gonna see the altcoin season. Because whenever Ethereum, the second largest and biggest crypto, is moving especially to the upside and outperforming Bitcoin, this is the time then when we see those altcoin season and also the Bitcoin dominance going down. That's why until now the Bitcoin dominance was only going higher and higher, as you can see also here on this chart, only higher and higher without stop. Of course sometimes little pullbacks, but at the end we went higher and higher. That's why Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now let's dive here in the Bitcoin chart. So this is Bitcoin, you can see where we're trading. This is the resistance trend line from the previous bull run, always got rejected here, never had a weekly close above. Now for the first time we are about to close above. This is extremely bullish, guys. Once this happens, I think that we're gonna go to insane high targets. And today we're not going to cover next potential resistances like here 145k or here 180k and so on. Today we're gonna cover a crazy price target, and this is what we can see here over on the CME chart. I have already put it here, because here first of all you can see that on the CME chart, where we are not trading during the weekend, you can see that Bitcoin already broke out last year above this resistance trend line that we had here, as you can see here. And if we go over into the lines chart, it's even more clearer. You see here, breakout to the upside, then weekly closes always above the top side of this resistance trend line. Previous resistance trend line becomes new support. Never had a weekly close below. We came down, we bounced from it, and now we are seeing the continuation to the upside. So not only this is bullish, but also if this was overall a big inverse head and shoulders pattern that we created so far, and now we even came down to confirm this new resistance, the breakout target, we can take this breakout target here and put it here out of the breakout. You can see that this gives us a target of $330,000, guys. $330,000 per Bitcoin. No financial advice. My own opinion, my own TA, based on this chart, based on this analysis. No financial advice, no promises. Just my own opinions, guys. And you can see the crazy price target. Also, if this would be like overall, this whole thing here, a big bull flag, and we have seen the breakout. Also, this one gives us an even higher price target, insane price target of 500K. Of course, also possible. But I think that $330,000 is more realistic at the moment. But 500K in theory is also possible for another reason. But look at this. This is the 2.0 Fibonacci extension level from the current or the previous cycle top and bear market bottom. This gives us this target. 1618 is at 180K. So we have insane targets at the moment, guys. 180K. We have $330,000. We have even $500,000. We have different price targets, and all of them are possible. The question is only which one we're going to reach. Because also here, based on the spot chart, you can see that Bitcoin has right now, based on the previous cycle top and bear market bottom, the 1618 at $180,000, the next Fibonacci extension level. The 236 is at 500K. 330K would be in the middle. In the previous bull runs, always measured from the previous cycle top to the bear market bottom, Bitcoin has always reached the 1618, currently at 180K. Sometimes even the 236, 250K wasn't reached here. But in the previous ones, here like in 2017, 1618 reached, 236 reached. Previous bull run, here also, bottom to top, 1618 reached, 236, $1,400 reached, almost. A few dollars left and then we would have reached it. Here was the beginning of Bitcoin, so here no measurements possible. Here's a little dinosaur as well. This is where everything begins. So you see what I mean? You see what I mean? With the first time that we wouldn't reach here the 1618. I think we're gonna reach it. 1.5 is here at 145K. This is the resistance curve trend line. I think this time maybe we're gonna overshoot it to the upside. We're gonna break out to the upside, I guess, because there are many price targets predicting Bitcoin at least above 200K. So we will see. But most bullish one, 500K. Most conservative, 145 to 180K, in my opinion. But we have so many price targets that are predicting, and of course patterns, that 200K, 300K is possible, of course, in this bull run. We will see, guys. And once Ethereum is also breaking out to the upside, so once Ethereum is also here breaking above $4,200, this resistance that we have basically since the bear market bottom was in here, then I think we're gonna go to much, much higher levels for Ethereum, and this will trigger a massive, insane, big altcoin season. No financial advice, guys, just my own opinion, just my own ideas, just that you know that, because otherwise I get trouble again with YouTube, so that's why. Make sure that you know that, just my own opinions. But look at this chart. Resistance here, this is the resistance trend line from the previous bull run. Same like Bitcoin also had here. See here, Bitcoin problem here to push higher, push higher. Now for the first time we're pushing higher. Ethereum, where is Ethereum now? Down here. You know where should be Ethereum trading right now? Up here, at around $15,000 to $20,000. So you see, Ethereum is down here, it should be up here. So that's why, once Ethereum is moving, breaking $3,200, $4,200, those are the targets here, all the way up here, in my opinion. And once this happens, and this can go very, very fast also for Ethereum, once this happens, you can be sure that all those coins here also will perform like crazy. No promises, but those are my expectations and opinions. And that's why I'm buying also into new Ethereum coins, new Bitcoin layer 2 coins, new Solana coins that are coming out. Those are all low market cap, guys. You can find them here in the video description, all down here, all linked here. Token 6900, Bitcoin Hyper, Snorter, Best Wallet, Subd, and so on. We also have new XRP coins, like this one here. The first DEX on XRP is coming out, guys. Right now, you can buy it at this price. This is the launch price, 35 cents. Look where we are right now. So if this one is launching at 35 cents, we can do insane gains here as well. Of course, no promises. With new coins, there is always a high risk. Maybe the coin will never come out. Maybe it will come out and everything is working out smoothly, so perfect. And yeah, who knows? High risk, but this is the first of its kind. The first of its kind, this decentralized exchange on XRP. So I'm giving it a try. It has even a total supply here of this number, and most of it is preserved for the pre-market phase and liquidity. The rest is going for staking and other stuff. So that's why I'm keeping an eye on this one here as well. We have a new Degen lab here, like a lab where you can create like meme coins and do other stuff here, AI agents and so on. A completely new meme coin thing. Now also this one in the pre-market phase, and you can also invest into this one if you want. They also have the solid proof thing and so on. We have Hexidog, a new pet friendly meme coin and utility coin that is coming out, also very interesting. Also in this one I bought here. We have Snorted token, a new trading bot on top of Solana. Also here I bought into this coin. You can also stake those coins, of course, and get some nice API, same like Bitcoin Hyper. This is a new layer 2 with 330% stake rewards. We have Token 6900, also a completely new degen meme coin printer that is coming out, and this is in theory the next one that everyone is buying up after SPX 6900. So this is a completely new one that we launched with a 5 million hard cap, so basically nothing, and that's why I'm so bullish with this one, that at the beginning it can eventually have a big pump. Of course, no guarantees, nothing, but since this one is launching with a small hard cap here of 5 million, I think that here also big things can happen with this new meme coin if it's really getting so hyped like SPX 6900. Just look for it, guys. SPX 6900, look at this. Look at the performance. This meme coin here is similar to token 6900. That's why everyone is now jumping into this one, because after the performance of this coin here, as you can see here, this coin here performed so well, and now of course everyone is jumping into the next one that could be a potential successor of SPX 6900, which is of course token 6900. So if token 6900 will be the next one to pump like SPX 6900, I definitely don't want to miss out. And that's why also on this one here, I'm currently buying and staking those coins in order to be in those coins before the launch and before they're coming out. And since my internet is dying off here right now and I cannot open up any chart anymore, or maybe now, yes, before my computer crashes, maybe I'm gonna wrap it up, guys, because I'm very excited to what is coming up next. And that's why make sure to be on board, make sure to be subscribed on my channel. I keep you updated every day what is going on. I wish you a very, very nice Sunday, guys. Enjoy it, and maybe also give it a look and give it a try into new upcoming coins as well, next to your tier 1 altcoin portfolio, of course, and next to your Bitcoin portfolio, which should be the biggest one, of course. I am still invested with over 95% of my portfolio into Bitcoin, but also I'm giving a try with new altcoins, and especially with the ones that you find here in the video description. As always, guys, no financial advice, just my own opinions, my own ideas. I'm just sharing everything that I'm buying up right now. There are many coins out there that are coming out. You can buy whatever you want. There are so many there, but if you want to be following my picks, then make sure to be using the link in the video description to end up to the ones that I'm buying right now. The complete list is there. Those are just some highlights which I wanted to show you, especially if you're an XRB fan or Solana fan, like the Snorted bot also is coming out on Solana, or Bitcoin, or if you're just looking out for the next big meme potential here, this one, token 6900, then welcome on board. I keep you updated on all of those new coins that are coming out, and of course also on Ethereum, Bitcoin, and so on, because I think a crazy time is in front of us and it is just getting started right now. So welcome everyone on board, guys. Make sure to be subscribed on this channel. Check out also my X account. It's a small one, but welcome everyone that is tuning in there, and we're gonna see us, of course, all in the next one. Crypto Underground over for now.